Hi, I'm Claudie Bélanger and this is the new Sea-Doo Spark. I think the new look and the design of the Sea-Doo Spark is so refreshing and it's appealing to the new generation like me. It's unique, it has great colors, the lines are great, the exoscale in front, everything makes it really cool. The new Sea-Doo Spark has been designed really to fit our lifestyle, my lifestyle. You can truly personalize it so you can make it your own. If you want a 2-up or a 3-up, another option that I love is the IBR, which is the braking system that Sea-Doo offers, and that is offered on the Sea-Doo Spark. But then, as you've seen, it is offered in different color options, and if you wanted to take it a step further, you can also choose one of the graphic kits that we offer and really add that little touch so you can truly personalize it and make it your own. The new engine that are in the Sea-Doo Spark is the Rotax Ace engine, and it makes it the most fuel-efficient watercraft to date on the market. One of the things that you can get when you purchase the Sea-Doo Spark is the convenience package, which consists of pretty much 2 of the popular things that Sea-Doo offer. It's a storage bin and then a reboarding step at the back. It's easy to own because it's the most affordable watercraft on the market. It's easy to tow because of its lightweight. It can be towed. I own a sedan and I can tow it with my own car. It's simple too and it's easy, so you don't need to be an expert. It's easy, it's playful, it's fun, and it's a blast to ride. The Sea-Doo Spark has been designed really to enter the Sea-Doo family, but the Sea-Doo family offers a lot of other models too, and there's the product for you. Whatever type of rider you are, we have a model for you, and now Spark is just one of that greatest addition to the Sea-Doo family. The Sea-Doo Spark is the new watercraft for the new generation. For more information, check it out at your local Sea-Doo dealers or visit seadoo.com.